Hello everybody, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to send picture directly in message section on TikTok. For that you have to follow my instructions very carefully. Click on the plus button from the middle, then go to your upload option, that means your library, then go to the photo section, select your particular photo, click next. Okay, then you have to click the check mark. Okay, you can see that the video is uploading, so go to your profile section and refresh it. Go to your video section, click on the three dot button, then click on the privacy setting, then click to friends setting to change your settings or privacy to your friends. After that, again click on the three dot button. Now just copy the link, go to your inbox, go to that particular box of that particular people, paste the link. This is how easily you can send picture to a friend, but there is no direct way to send picture on TikTok. You just post that particular photo, then you have to just share the link. If this tutorial helped you, like this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one.